Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Quran is not a science book. But look at this. This is our channel where we share informative videos with the light of Quran and Hadith. Our purpose is to show the amazing facts of Islam and science which are mentioned in the Quran and Hadith 1400 years ago. These videos increase your knowledge and also strengthen your faith. If you want to watch more videos about 5 Islamic facts and scientific truths, then please subscribe to our channel, watch the full video, and don't forget to like, share and others, because the Prophet said the best among you is the one who learns the Quran and teaches it. So let's spread the knowledge together. The Holy Quran was revealed 1400 years ago. At that time, there was no science, no microscope, no telescope. But today, many scientific facts prove what was already written in the Quran. Let us see 5 Quranic verses that match with today's science. Number 1 is water. Life came from the water, as said in the Quran, and we made every living thing from water. Will they not then believe? Modern science says every living thing is made from water. Human body has almost 70% water, and without water life cannot exist. The second fact is mountain as pegs. As said in the Quran, have we not made the earth as resting place and the mountains as pegs? Science says mountains have deep roots inside the earth like pegs and nails. They balance the earth's surface and give stability. The third one is human embryo. As said in the Quran, we created man from the clinging cloud. Science now proves in the first stage the embryo sticks to the womb wall just like a clot. This was known 14 years ago, but today it is clear with microscope. The fifth one is expansion of the universe. As said in the Quran, and we built the heaven with power, and indeed we are expanding it. Science believes universe is fixed, but 1929 Edwin Hubble discovered galaxies were moving away. The universe is expanding. Quran already told this fact 1400 years ago. The next one is pain receptor in the skin. As I told you the facts about in the Quran, indeed those who deny our verses, we will burn them in fire. Every time their skin are roasted, we will replace them with new skins so they may taste the punishment. Science says pain is felt by the skin nerves, but not by the bones or flesh. That is why Quran says new skin will give, so pain continues. These are the only 5 examples. The Quran is not a science book, but it is a book of science. These signs show the Quran is truly the word of Allah. What science finds today, the Quran already told 1400 years ago. This is a reminder for all humanity that Quran is a guidance till the day of judgment. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe our channel so that you can get more videos about Islam and related informations. Thank you so much.